Guys, it's hard getting used to vlogging again. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning right now, and like this is, I don't like waking up early on a Saturday, but I figured I can get up early, try to see if I can vlog, get into the habit of vlogging again, especially because I want to start including vlogging again on my channel, but not like daily vlogging, maybe like weekly or like doing like one-off vlogs here and there. Yeah, there's a lot going on today, so I thought I would take you guys along, try to see if I can get used to the vlogging game again and get used to holding this heavy camera because it is super heavy. First thing I'm going to be doing is heading out to a women's event with Zion, my church, for those of you who don't know, and then hanging out with David for a bit, then meeting up with a friend, and then I have some of my in-laws coming over to later on tonight because they're expecting and they're going to be doing like a quick little gender reveal. I'm not sure if I can show that on camera, but I will ask and, you know, hopefully you guys can see. And yeah, that's about it. So let's see what happens today. I'll see you guys in a bit. I belong to you. So I'm ready to go and head out. I'm not even like doing anything special in my hair, just leaving it as is really. And for my outfit, I'm wearing this like funky, like oversized sweater from Boohoo, which I think is so cute and so comfy, and some pants from Torrid, and then these shoes, these boots from ASOS that I absolutely love. I have had them on for one of my series shoots, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna toss on my like faux fur teddy coat, my cream one, and call it a day and head out because I am running behind, so let's get out of here. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around. Hi. Mama Rose. About to get us some food.
However, a fruit doesn't just become a whole fruit overnight. It goes through a whole process to be developed. Once the seed of the fruit is developed, the petals of a flower, or if it's coming from a tree, the leaves will fall away, and it allows the immature fruit to begin its growth process. Don't be afraid of the small beginnings, because it has its purpose.
I just stepped out of that women's event, and it was awesome, amazing being with my family, especially the Zion women fam, and I'm about to go meet up with David so we can hang out and have like a bit of a date day because we didn't have like a date night on Friday, and then from there I'm gonna be meeting up with my friend Sandra after that. So hi.
Hello.
That's Mike.
What up, what up?
And there's Bugs. Decided on ends meet, and David's getting a hamburger and I'm getting a hot dog. I usually don't get hot dogs. Actually, I'm getting 2 hot dogs with cheese. So if I ever get hot dogs, it's with cheese. So I rarely get hot dogs because I don't really like them very much. But we are both on keto right now, and I'm not going to dive into keto, so if you guys want questions about that, I can address that in another video. so we have to like stick to meats and low carb, high fat. And then yeah, we'll see. The place is cute, cozy. Yeah, guys, it's hard getting used to vlogging again. I feel like I haven't vlogged in forever. I keep looking over at the flip out screen, so it's hard to just talk right here. But I hope this video isn't boring and it's entertaining. I'm trying. But yeah, check out, we're here at Ends Meat. Alright, try my hot dogs with cheese. Pretty good. Sorry. How are you? You want to film again? No problem. No, okay, cool. Are these all your sketches? Oh, very So I just made it to Decal Market. I feel like I'm going from one food spot to another food spot, but I'm meeting my friend Sandra here, and I just have to show you guys these portraits behind me because they're gorgeous. So,
what are you doing? You taking a picture of me without even telling me?
Sandra.
Hi.
I'm vlogging.
Oh, hi.
Sandra is one of my long-time friends, one of my best friends. She's my maid of honor, and we're hanging out today.
Yes, we are. I've never been here before. Well, I've never seen this before, like this.
There's actually really cool stuff
All
here,
done up.
and we were just like looking at the furniture, going for a stroll.
That's a nice pink sofa.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. But yeah, I was just checking out this sofa and furniture stuff with David. So we're gonna go and grab some coffee or something. I don't know what we're gonna do. Do you know what we're gonna do yet?
No.
So we'll figure it out and see you guys in a bit. We didn't find anything to eat, but we got this cute little kid store.
My friend's a shorty, shouldn't be so rough.
So,
Oh my gosh, you just caught me licking my the edge of my cup. Because it's
well, you had good reflexes,
it's foamy.
so I don't know if it caught,
Oh, okay,
and it was
good.
kind of blurry, but it's cute.
Yum. This is actually
So,
very tasty.
Yeah, she got tasty hot chocolate.
Yes.
And I got an almond milk latte. I'll see you guys in a bit because I'm gonna go hang out with my friend. So we had a very long convo.
Yes,
And
it was great.
yes, but not enough time, and I have to run already. And I don't want to leave yet because I feel like there's a lot for us to catch up
A
on
lot.
some more. But guys, invest in your good friends and your friendships because it's so vital. It's soul feeding, and I feel like that's what it was today for us.
Forever friends.
Forever friends. But yeah, I think I'm gonna check out right now, run to my Uber, and head home and meet David for the gender reveal. So yeah, excited. I think it's gonna be. So I'm finally back home, and Jonathan's here, my brother-in-law.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey.
Oh, he's not focusing on you.
Oh.
You guys might recognize him from one of my older vlogs when he proposed to Gerline. Yeah. And so today, yeah, that was 4 years ago. Today is gonna be 3 years. So my bad. Well, you should be knowing that better than me. Today they're doing the gender reveal. I don't know if I'm yet approved by Gerline to post this on vlog, but I'm gonna record it anyways, and in case She says, yes, I have the footage. But okay, so the last time when they first told us about the baby, I was like, it's gonna be a boy. Then today I was like, maybe it's gonna be a girl, right? When I was thinking about Sandra. But now I feel like, yeah, it's definitely gonna be a boy. So let's see if I'm right. I mean, 50-50 chance, right? So like, I'm probably right. So the mama came.
It's gonna be a boy.
Girl. We're both saying girl.
Girl, okay.
It's a boy.
Yeah, I agree with you, Mom. I agree. It's about yo. We're here. We're here.
A girl.
So what do you think it is?
It's a girl.
Think it's a girl?
Yeah.
It's a boy. It's a boy. So it's 4 girls, the rest are boys. Okay, so we're gonna bite into the cupcakes. We close our eyes too. Okay, I'm ready.
Take a deep bite. You gotta take a deep bite.
It's a boy. We're gonna have a nephew.
This cupcake is good.
Actually, the cupcake is good. We're not supposed to be having this, but special occasion. So they're having a boy, and we're gonna spend the rest of the day hanging out, playing games, and celebrating. And I think I'm gonna call it a night because I'm tired, but I want to spend time with my family and just hang out with them, not distracted. So I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for joining me on this little vlog on a Saturday. Love you guys so much. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.
I was never gone just like that.